What's up guys? So today we have a new smile rehab. So from this to this. And because it's 2023 and she has a wedding coming soon, we did it in 23 hours. So if you guys want to find out how we did it, stay tuned. So welcome back guys to my channel. So this is our patient today. So as you can see, she already has a veneers. So these are zirconia veneers. But it's already failing. Some of them have cracked, some of them was removed on the past and was recemented. She wanted a new smile, so she wanted to make it a little bigger, and especially on this side, we needed to do a laser surgery, the teeth longer and wider, so we would have a very good smile design. And of course she wanted to make it brighter for the pictures on her wedding. So before we even start touching her mouth, we made as a smile design. This is a digital simulation what she is going to look like in the future. So we made this simulation and we presented to her and she likes it. And when the patient likes the simulation, so now we start removing all the crowns and veneers, and then we did some gum contouring so we could make the gum symmetrical. So I just want to add my new device. This is a smart local anesthesia injection. This makes my job easier and very comfortable for the patient. So guys, my patient is very afraid of the anesthesia injection. So you all know that this is the most painful part in the procedure. And also this is the first time I use this, and I asked her for a review and she said it is a big improvement. So normally she just cries and screams on the anesthesia injection, but now she did not felt anything. After removing all the crowns, we gave her some temporary so she will not have difficulty on eating or on smiling, and we would prevent any kind of sensitivity within the day. So the next day she came back, and guys, this is the after pictures. So these are all zirconia crowns, shade A1. So we made everything a little bigger, a little wider, and a little whiter. So this one is shade A1. She used to have A3s. Now it's a little whiter, and if as you can see, the laser surgery is doing well. Now her teeth on the back is now a little longer and now symmetrical when she smiles. So actually guys, this is my wedding and this is my wife. It's our 11th anniversary. I cannot endure seeing her suffer for 1 week or 2 weeks or 4 days. Normally I can do it as fast as 4 days. I cannot endure seeing her suffer for sensitivity and cannot smile for 4 days. So I did it in 23 hours. So guys, if I can do it confidently on my wife, I can do it on you. So on 2023 guys, I will do it as fast as I can within 23 hours. So thank you guys for watching my videos guys. So this is Dr. Sly Bukad, and goodbye.